Welcome to today's review, where we'll be diving into the Parkworld 62176 Shore Power Adapter. If you're an avid RV or marine enthusiast like me, you understand the importance of reliable power connections. This adapter is a game changer, offering seamless compatibility between a generator with a 30AL14-30P male connector and a transfer switch with a 50ASS2-50RCS6364 female connector. Let's talk construction. The adapter boasts 100% copper wiring with a PVC jacket, ensuring durability and efficient power transmission. Its yellow color makes it easily visible, even in low-light conditions, adding to its safety features. The male-to-female design, coupled with the CA's standard twist-lock female CS6364 connector, guarantees a secure connection, augmented further by the locking ring and seal ring. Now, onto performance. With a voltage rating of 125V and an input current of 50A, this adapter handles heavy-duty power requirements with ease. The STW10AWG cable supports a maximum 30A load, making it suitable for a variety of applications, including RVs, marine vessels, and generators. Whether you're powering appliances, electronics, or lighting systems, this adapter delivers consistent and reliable performance. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug the L14-30P male connector into your generator, and the CS6364 female connector into your transfer switch or inlet box. The locking mechanisms ensure a snug fit, minimizing the risk of accidental disconnection, even in challenging conditions. In summary, the Parkworld 62176 Shore Power Adapter is a must-have accessory for any RV or marine enthusiast. Its robust construction, secure connections, and reliable performance make it the ultimate solution for all your power needs. Say goodbye to compatibility issues and hello to uninterrupted adventures with the Parkworld 62176 Shore Power Adapter. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.